Good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can uninstall the apps on your TV easily with your phone. So you don't even need to touch the TV remote itself. From your phone on the Play Store, you can uninstall. Means if you uninstall on the Play Store, the app gets uninstalled here. Say for example, in this tutorial, maybe we'll try to uninstall this FX Explorer which is installed on the TV to save some space. The first requirement is, see here, this is the email ID which is logged in the TV. The only requirement is on your Play Store on the mobile and on the TV, you should be logging into the same email ID. That is the only requirement. Okay. Yeah, see here. If you can observe, see here the profile picture ID here on the phone and on the TV, both are same. Okay, now what you can do is click on your profile picture and click on manage apps and devices here, and then click on manage. See, you will be finding this drop down for this device. Under this device, it will show you all the devices where this Gmail is logged in. And on this phone, this Gmail is available. On Motorola H50, there is another phone for me. On that phone also, the same Gmail ID I logged in. And the other is Thomson TV. See here, this is the Thomson TV, and I'll be clicking on this one. And now here it will show all the list of the apps which are already installed on this TV. See here, this is the File Explorer. So if I click on this, select that, and for a moment I'll be just trying to uninstall that one. Okay, let us uninstall. Let us see what will happen. See, immediately the File Explorer got deleted or removed. So I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you. If you feel this is informative and helpful, please do hit a like for this video. And this is Thomson TV. I have been using this for the past 4 years. If you want review of this video, I'll be drop the link in the description. You can check it. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.